About to pass 250,000 miles on this '07 Camry, 2.4 liter, 4-cylinder. I want to owe it all to Pennzoil full synthetic oil with a quart of Lucas full synthetic oil stabilizer and liquid moly Suratech. I add those at every oil change and have had no engine issues at all. It does burn a little bit of oil, but I check the oil almost every single week. I'll bring you back when this thing hits 249,999, almost to 250, baby. 250. Most cars don't even make it to 100,000. Fords don't make it to 100,000 miles. I know that for sure. 250,000 miles, and maintenance required light pops on. So that's telling me that it needs an oil change. As I'm telling you guys, oh yeah, this car made it 250,000 miles, and then the maintenance oil, the maintenance required light comes on. So this is a 2007 Toyota Camry with 250,000 miles on it. What is it? 18 years old, 250,000 miles. Pretty impressive. I'm sure it'll have no problems going to 300 or 350,000 miles, but I just want to show you guys that quality does count. 250,000 miles is not a simple feat, you know. Like I said, I don't think a Ford would make it. I don't think a Kia would make it. What do you guys think? Leave some comments down below. Tell me if I'm totally wrong. A Mazda might make it, and I think a Honda would make it. But let me know, guys. All right? Pretty excited about this. 250,000 miles. Feel like I should buy my car a birthday cake or something. That's hilarious that the maintenance required light pops up right when it hits 250,000 miles. All right, guys, there you go. If you like this video, subscribe. Like always, if you guys need to get a hold of me, you can reach me at bundysgarage@gmail.com. And like always, I'll keep them rolling for you.